Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can change default skin tone of your emoji on Slack. Maybe you wanted to change your default skin tone on emoji on Slack, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can change the skin tone of your emoji on Slack. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, you will see this U button at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see in here below the preferences. Tap on these preferences. From here, you will see here the look and feel. Below that, you will see default emoji skin tone. Tap on it. And then in here, you can select skin tone you want. For example, this one. After that, you change the default emoji skin tone. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can change emoji skin tone on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can change skin tone of your emoji on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.